We are especially honored to have artists and dancers who have traveled from Chennai and Sri Lanka carrying with them the essence and fragrance of Kalakshetra tradition. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to them for being here. Let's have a brief description about them. Srimati Suhasini Thomas is an alumni and faculty member of the prestigious institution Kalakshetra College of Fine Arts, founded by Srimati Rukmini Devi Arundel, who has blessed by naming her. Growing up in the pristine surroundings of Kalakshetra, enriched by music, dance, and beauty all around, was a stepping stone into the world of dance and arts at a very early age. She drew her inspiration from her parents, Sri Thomas and Srimati Vasundhara Thomas, both teachers of Kalakshetra, made her take up dancing. Dancing became an integral part of her life, and she followed her passion in learning, performing, and teaching this art. Srimati Suhasini has been an integral part of Kalakshetra's repertory and dance productions as well as a soloist. Widening her skills with many eminent artists in their field of work, she has conducted many workshops and trained students in Bharatanatyam, traveling both India and abroad. Next artist, Dr. Sakura Asangika Seniviratna is a distinguished educator, author, and expert in Bharatanatyam. Married to entrepreneur Indika Rajapaksa, she is also the loving mother of 3 children, 2 daughters, and 1 son. Her extensive career began with her Arangetram performance in 1991, and she has been an experienced teacher throughout the subsequent years. Dr. Seniviratna is dedicated to inclusive education, actively working with children with special needs. In addition to teaching, she is a recognized author of books on Bharatanatyam. She successfully completed her doctorate in 2023. Next artist, Visharada Harshi Asanga Seniviratna, wife of Himesh Abhyasekara and mother of 2 children, has a distinguished background in the arts. She is a highly talented individual whose early school promise blossomed into a formal achievement, including the completion of her Visharada examination. Her dance milestones include an Arangetram performance in 2010 and the completion of the Kala Mangalaya in Kendian dance. Next artist, Visharada Ashwini Panchali Ranasinghe, is the youngest child of Lasanta Ranasinghe and Nushani Kure. She completed her BSc Honours in Business Management Studies at Cardiff Metropolitan University. Ashwini now works as a supervisor in the ODA department at Global System Solutions Private Limited. She studied at Anula Vidyalaya for her primary and secondary education. Ashwini began learning Bharatanatyam at age 11 under Visharada Dimuthu Vijayaratne. She has continued her dance journey since 2010. She completed her Visharada exams under the guidance of Gurus Dimuthu Vijayaratne and Dr. Sakura Seniviratne. She won several gold medals and all-island awards at the British International Federation of Festivals. This evening, you will witness a series of Bharatanatyam classical performances which has perfect Anga Shuddham, Abhinayam and Talam. We have a beautiful lineup of programs this evening which will be performed by our dancers, Guru Srimati Santoshi Vijay Garu, along with her senior students, Srimati Suhasini Garu, Dr. Sakura Asangika Seniviratna Garu, Visharada Harshi Asanga Seniviratna Garu, Visharada Ashwini Panchali Ranasinghe Garu. Let us begin our today's event with the first piece, Natyanjali. Natyanjali is a composition choreographed in Panchananda format with an intention to invoke the blessings of the divine to offer homage to the audience. The word Natyanjali itself means offering through dance, and it brings together dancers from across the world to pay homage to divine through classical forms. Natyanjali, Ragam, Ragamalika, Talam, Talamalika, dance choreographed by Guru Sri Dhananjayan, will be performed by Dr. Sakura Asangika Seniviratna, Visharada Harshi Asanga Seniviratna, Visharada Ashwini Panchali Ranasinghe.
ಧೀಂ 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 ಧಿನ್ನಂ ತರಿಗುಡು ಧಿದ್ ಧಿನ್ನಂ ಧಿನ್ನಂ ತರಿಗುಡು ಧೀಂ ಧೀಂ ಧಿಂ ಧಿನ್ನಂ ತರಿಗುಡು ಧಿದ್ ಧಿನ್ನಂ ಧಿನ್ನಂ ತರಿಗುಡು ಧಿಕ್ಕಿನ್ನಂ ಧಿಕ್ಕಿನ್ನಂ ಧಿದ್ದಿ ಧಿಕ್ಕಿನ್ನಂ ಧಿಕ್ಕಿನ್ನಂ ತಾಂ ಧಿಕ್ಕಿನ್ನಂ ಧಿಕ್ಕಿನ್ನಂ ಧಿದ್ದಿ ಧಿಕ್ಕಿನ್ನಂ ಧಿಕ್ಕಿನ್ನಂ ತಾಂ 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 ತಕ್ಕಿದ ತಗತಾಂ ಧೀಂ ಧೀಂ ಧಿಕ್ಕಿದ ತಗತೈ ಧ್ರುಗುತಗ ತಗ ಧ್ರುಗುತಗ ಧ್ರುಗುತಗ ಧಳಂಗುತಂ ತಗದ ದಿಗಿನತು ಧಳಂಗುತಂ ತಗದ ದಿಗಿನತು ತಕ್ಕಿಡತುಂ ತಗಣಂ ಕಿಡತಗಧಿ ಕಿಡತುಂ ತಗಣಂ ಕಿಡತಗತುಂ ಕಿಡತಗ ನಗತರಿ ಕಿಡತಗ ಧಿಂ 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 ನಂ ಧಿಮಿ ಧಿಮಿ ತಗತಾಂ ತತ್ತೋಂ ತಾಂ ತರಿಗಿಡ ಧೀಂ ತರಿಗಿಡ ತೊಂ ತರಿಗಿಡನಂ ತರಿಗಿಡ ತಕ್ಕಿಡತುಂ ಹಿಕ್ಕಿಡತುಂ ತುಂಗಿನ ನಗ ಗಜಾನನ ಪದ್ಮಾರ್ಕಂ ಗಜಾನನಂ ಅಕರ್ನಿಶಂ ಅಗಜಾನನ ಪದ್ಮಾರ್ಕಂ ಗಜಾನನಂ ಅಕರ್ನಿಶಂ ಅನೇಕದಂತಂ ಭಕ್ತಾನಾಂ ಏಕದಂತಂ ಉಪಾಸ್ಮಕೆ ಅನೇಕದಂತಂ ಭಕ್ತಾನಾಂ ಏಕದಂತಂ ಉಪಾಸ್ಮಕೆ ಸನಿ ಪಗನಿ ಪಗರಿ ಗಪನಿ ರಿ ಸನಿ ಪಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗಪನಿ ಸಾ ಸನಿ ಬಗನಿ ಬಗರಿ ಗಪನಿ ರಿ ಸನಿ ಬಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗಪನಿ ಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಬರಿ ಸನಿ ರಿ ಸನಿ ಬಗ ಸನಿ ಬಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗಪನಿ ಅಗಜಾನನ ಪದ್ಮಾರ್ಕಂ ಗಜಾನನಂ ಅಕರ್ನಿಶಂ తరిగుడు ధిన్నం తరిధిన్నం తదిగినకు తరిగుడు దిరిగుడు దిరిగుడు తరిగుడు తక్కు దిక్కు తక్క సుర సుర సేవిత పాద పంకజ కరైర్విరాజ కమనీయ పుస్తక సురాసుర సేవిత పాద పంకజ కరైర్విరాజ కమనీయ పుస్తక విరించి పత్ని కమలాసన స్థిత సరస్వతీ నృత్య తువాచి మే సదా విరించి పత్ని కమలాసన స్థిత సరస్వతీ నృత్య తువాచి మే సదా సా సాని గమ రిగమ గరిగమ పదని సని గమ రిగమ గరిగమ పదని గరి గరి దని దరి గరి దని దవ గరి దని దరి దని దవ సని గమ సుర సుర సేవిత పాద పంకజ కిట్ట దిక్కిట్ట తం తధీం తజం తనం తం తోడగ ధీం తోడగ జం తోడగ తనం తోడ తం ధిం తజం తనం తత్తాం ధిం 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 తత్తోడంగ తక్కుతాతై శంఖ చక్ర గదావాణి ద్వారక నిలయాసుత శంఖ చక్ర గదావాణి ద్వారక నిలయాసుత గోవింద పుండరీకాక్ష రక్షమాం శరణాగతం గోవింద పుండరీకాక్ష రక్షమాం శరణాగతం సానిదపమగరి రిగమ పదని దగ్గరి మగరి సనిద నిరి సానిదపమగ మదని గరి సనిదపమగ దపమగరి రిగమ పదని దగ్గరి మగరి సనిద నిరి సనిదపమగ మదని గరి శంక చక్రగదాపాణి ద్వారక నిలయాచుత
తక్క చెమ్మే తక్క చొన్ను
దిక్కుడు దిక్కుడు తగదం దిక్కుడు తగదాం తగణం కిడ తగత దిక్కుడు 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 తక్కిడ తక్
తక్క చెమ్మే తక్క తక్కిట్ట తక్క చెమ్మే తక్క తక్కిట్ట
തക്കിട്ട കിണ്ണത്തോടകതാം തകത തത്തോം തകതോ കിരതകതോ താഹതയ്യ തത്വതകതരികിണതു ഗുരുർ ബ്രഹ്മ ഗുരുർ വിഷ്ണു ഗുരുദേവോ മഹേശ്വരഃ ഗുരു സാക്ഷാത് പരം ബ്രഹ്മ തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരവേ നമഃ രിമ പനി പമഗരി സരി പമഗരി സരി മവനി സരി മഗരി സ നിരി സനി സ പനി പമ പ നി സരി നി സ പനി 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 പമഗരി സ ഗുരുർ ബ്രഹ്മ ഗുരുർ വിഷ്ണു മഹേശ്വരഃ
తక్క